What is it? I'm very busy.
So we thought you should know.
Know what? He's very busy.
Australia has dropped out of the top 10 happiest countries list for the first time ever.
That can't be right.
Is this real?
Yep, we're 11th.
Look it up.
We're not behind the Poms, are we?
God, no.
How can any country be happier than Australia? Australia's the best country on earth. And when there's a competition, we're in it to win it.
When those happiness auditors come next year, you show them we're a top 10 happy country.
Oil a bit of chop for you. Not the succulent lamb kind. Got it?
What? Yes, boss. G'day.
Formal greetings.
How was your flight?
Long, please begin.
Nothing would make us happier. How could you not be happy with 50,000 kilometres of beautiful coastline?
You could say we're girt by it.
Can one swim here?
At your own peril.
Let's move on.
You know what makes us happy? The Sydney Opera House. We should show you that.
Your nation enjoys opera.
And how could you not be happy holding a platypus?
The world's only venomous egg-laying mammal.
Yeah, nah, mate, I wouldn't hold.
We also have free healthcare.
You should write that down.
Another reason we're happy is because we're made up of many different cultures.
Including the world's oldest living continuous cultures.
Sucked in Egypt. Respectfully.
We've got world-class summer Olympians.
And well-meaning winter Olympians.
There's heaps more to be happy about, like backyard water parks, sporting equipment that doubles as bins.
You can call someone your mate, even if they're not your mate.
And all our animals come with pockets.
And we got giant monuments to fruit.
And hardware stores where sausages outsell tools.
I didn't know they sold tools.
And the other nations might be happy on paper, but we get paid more than New Zealanders for doing exactly the same jobs.
I'm 19 to 35% happier here.
And Sweden has saunas, but we've got Townsville. And Finland might enjoy unlimited parental leave, but can they pop down to the shops in their togs?
There you go.
Then there's these, a national network of free public barbecues.
You wouldn't get that in Luxembourg.
If that's even a real country.
If this isn't top 10 happiness stuff, then what is?
As I've explained many times, the list is based on complex economic...
Shh. Enjoy the taste of 100% real Australian happiness.
I'm just waiting for a mate.
A succulent kind. Oh, you know it makes sense.
Where did all these people come from?
Nothing makes us happier than being together, and nothing brings us together like lamb.
So we're a top 10 happy country?
I have a feeling this year that you will make the cut. Let.
Just ate some lamb.
Oh, we should show you Canberra. Actually, nah.